Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Normally I don't tend to post videos about products that I don't have in my possession, but today in this video I've decided to make a small exception and provide you with some updates regarding the new Caddx FPV air unit that was announced earlier today. Now, as you may already know, due to a global shortage in computer chips, which is unfortunately not going away in the near future, DJI has slowed down or maybe even stopped the production of the air unit, and that's why there was a recent rumor that DJI are discontinuing the air unit. So in response, Caddx FPV released a statement that this rumor is not correct. As far as I know, the global chip shortage affects mainly the DJI camera, and that's why you can still get the Nebula Pro system. And when I saw that Caddx FPV are releasing a new air unit system, I thought that they are probably using the air unit digital transmission system and they are just bundling it with the Caddx Nebula Pro camera unit. After checking the specs of the new camera, I can confirm that this is actually not correct, and what Caddx FPV basically did is to bundle the same DJI air unit, which might on a later stage, maybe when new units are going to be produced, carry the name Caddx FPV instead of DJI, and bundle it with a smaller version but yet identical in terms of technical specs of the DJI camera unit. Unlike the DJI camera unit, which is using a non-standard form factor that makes it incompatible with some frames, just like the Nebula Pro, the new Caddx FPV camera unit is using a 19x19mm form factor, and it is mounted using a single screw on the side of the camera instead of two. In addition, since the new Caddx FPV camera unit is going to be more compact, it is going to reduce the weight of the air unit system by 4.2 grams. Just as a reminder, the Nebula Pro system is still much lighter, and the total weight of the Nebula Pro system, including an antenna, is 27.4 grams. As for the antennas, as far as I can tell, according to the specs, they seem to remain identical. So overall, this is not a very big update, but still a very nice one because it reduces the weight of the air unit and makes the camera unit more compatible with more frames. And in case you expected a bigger update, that adds a support for the new DJI radio controller, or even adds a support for 2.4 GHz frequency for the DJI FPV V2 goggles. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I would like to remind you that I've already compared the DJI and Nebula Pro camera units side by side, and I think that this comparison is also going to be valid for the new camera, but just in case, when I'm going to get the new camera, I'm going to run this test again. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick update video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.